Hey everyone, it is Labor Day 2018. I hope everybody had a good long weekend. I took off a little early last week and took the family to the Oregon Dunes. We haven't been down there for about 3 years, so we had a little fun not doing much other than playing in the sand and hanging out with a lot of friends. But now it's Monday and it's New Tool Monday at that. Now in my first New Tool Monday video, I showcased a DeWalt planer, and I really love that thing, and that's a big part of why I bought this table saw. Plus it was about $130 cheaper than the Rigid, which was kind of, in my opinion, the next best saw. I really like how easy this thing assembles. It has a push stick. The blade guard stores on the side of the saw when you don't need it. Everything locks down pretty solidly for transport, which is perfect for a saw like this. You've got your blade changing tools mounted to the side. I will be putting this thing through the paces next weekend when I go to install the wood paneling that I cut on my sawmill last week. Stay tuned for that for sure. And also, next Monday, I will be showcasing a 52-inch Husky tool chest that I've been wanting for a long time and finally was able to get. So stay tuned for that as well, and thank you for watching.